Okay, we just made it through a pretty rough launch through the rock. We're fishing at a new spot here today around Palos, Verdes Peninsula. Got a lot of easy launches here. This one's okay, it's just a lot of big rocks. And these Hobie kayaks weigh a ton. I think next time I'll bring a little plastic one and just a simple rod. Make it easier on myself. But we made it out. Looks like a nice day. See if we can get some of these fish to bite. Alright, finally got something. Oh, I guess this is an opaline maybe. I'm not sure what they... this must be some kind of a perch. Pretty big. Perch. Anyway. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Pretty fish. Oh, sheephead. Keeper. Yeah, nice one. Alright. This one's might be coming home. We'll see. Yeah, decent sized one, huh?
Felt a lot bigger.
They fight, man. They
know,
are fighters.
A lot bigger. I thought I had like something pretty big.
Hold it up a little bit. Yeah, that's a nice size one. Okay.
Yeah, he definitely took that hook, I think. Oh, can I have pliers?
You have some in your jacket, yes. Yeah, they like to swallow. Yeah, he's got pretty big teeth. I wouldn't stick my thumbs in those. No. Anyway, there he is.
Nice. Here.
Alright, got another decent one. Got to get him out of the kelp.
Bigger than that other one?
Feels like it. Taking drag. Yep. Sheep. Color. See the color on him. I think it's a big boy. That other one was a female. Oh, yeah. You see him?
No, I can't see from here.
Looks like. Whoa! A jumping sheephead.
Nice.
Yeah. That's the biggest one for me. Now,